Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can add search bar in Elementor. It's very easy to do. So what you have to do, first go to then open your size editor with Elementor. Then what you have to do, from the search bar here, write search. Then you will see a search from. You can drag the search from here to here, or you can also just select it and it will create a new search bar here. So you can edit your search bar style from here. You can choose skin, classic, minimal, full screen. You can add a placeholder, for example, what are you searching. Then you can add button on type, also add text to find this, for example. You can also set size of this. Then in the style section you can edit your typography. Just select it and you can here edit what you want to edit. Then you can also edit this color. Then in the advanced section you can edit margin section, padding section, edit align self, order size, and everything. So that's it. That's how you can add search bar on Elementor. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.